Hey everyone, welcome to my channel on this really overcast, dull winter's day. However, today is a day that I'm out here with the ZMO, or is it the ZMO, or is it the ZMO, or the ZMO, or the ZMO? I have no idea. It depends what country you live in. All right, so this is a VTOL drone, which means it basically, or should I say it's a VTOL plane? I'm not really sure. Anyways, it flies like a drone and flies like a plane, and stings like a bee if it hits you. So it takes off vertically. It doesn't stay in the box. It comes out of the box when it flies, and then it switches into plane mode and goes and flies like a plane. And you can wear FPV goggles and fly around the area here. So I'm going to put a GoPro in it and we'll see what the video looks like. It's going to be kind of dull and not the greatest looking, but we're going to take it for a spin. All right, so clear off our tiny little landing pad here. Take my little FPV goggles, put them over there. And everything I need is in this here case. I'm going to grab the GoPro just to show you it fits in here nicely. Everything's well packed in there. If you want to see unboxing, just watch my unboxing video of this. It comes with an FPV controller right here, a DJI one, so I'm going to stick that over there. And you get a wing and a motor, and a wing and a prayer. Take these out. Another wing and a motor, and then the body. Let's yank the body out of here. There we go. That's pretty much it, I think. And then you just need a few other pieces. So let's assemble this quickly, because my hands are getting cold. All right, so these wings just click in. There's a little cable in there that must be connected from here to the inside there. So I'll take off the top so I can push the cables out. There we go, there's one cable on that side, and then the other cable has to come out. There's the other cable out. Man, I'm glad I wore snow pants today because this snow is wet and cold. Is that rain I feel? It's like, it's starting to snow and maybe kind of rain. Oh, this is not good. All right, let's get this wing in like this. There we go. Now you'll see there's a latch system on the wings. You just go like this and you latch them in place. Could you hear the snow just coming down? It's like ice snow. It's making that sound. Anyways, you latch it like this. There we go. Wing is on strong. There we go. Get the wing on, clink, and then put the latch system on and latch it in place. Let's go like this. There we go. These wings cannot come off. Next thing we want to put in our battery. You can see it down here on the GoPro. There's a spot in the top where it goes. So I'm going to turn on the controller right here. I got my controller just messed up with stickers everywhere. Put that on. Make sure all switches are away from me. Go, antenna's up. And we're all good there. I'm going to put the controller in here. So now when I plug this battery in, this should connect to the controller. So let me just put the battery down there. It Velcros on the bottom. There we go. It's in secure, and then connect. Motors pop up. We're all good to go. Put the cover on. So now we have a little light that's blinking down here. Let me just bring this GoPro over to help out, show what I'm just looking at. So there's a little light down there, and that blinks. And that tells me we have to do a GPS calibration because it's not ready yet. So I'll show you how to do a GPS calibration. So for the calibration, you have to take the joysticks and push them up to the top and center like this. There we go. And then our little light on there should turn green, and it is. All right, so push that all the way down so we're not in flight mode. And then a calibration is just simply a matter of spinning it and getting super sick like you just got off a ride at the park. Here we go. So you spin it. I gotta wait for this little light that says GPS to change to red. It's solid green now. It's gonna go to red. It takes about 3 turns. Now it's red. Now it says, dangle me like a fish and do the same thing. So there we go. Let's dangle it like a fish and do the same thing. And it should change from red to another color, which I can't see because I'm dangling it the wrong way. Oh, I think that's good. It's blinking now. So now you put it on the ground, you let it get the GPS signal. So while it's doing that, I got to put a GoPro in it so we can film. So the GoPro I brought with me today is the Hero 7. I know there's a Hero 8, Hero 9, Hero 10. I just grabbed the 7. So, you know, in this kind of weather, I probably should have used the Hero 10. It's better for dull weather. The 7's not that great, but we'll see what it looks like. Next time I come out, it'll be a better GoPro. So to put the GoPro in, you just unscrew the front. Do it by hand. So these little plastic screw thingies. Here, I'll bring this GoPro closer so you can see me do it. And then you take the front off like this. This is a piece of metal That's your digital camera for the pilot camera. Then you turn your GoPro on. Let me just turn you on. There we go. The GoPro is on and recording. The reason you have to turn it on is because when I stick it inside, I have no access to this anymore. Oh my God, I have water droplets on the front already. That's not good. Hang on a sec. Gotta clean that. So this could be called the rain flight because it is like a little bit of freezing rain coming down. So let's put that on the front. There we go. Clean off my FPV camera so I can see where I'm flying. Put the little screws back in. Just tighten them by hand. Nothing exciting. Get that on there. There we go. I think we're pretty much ready to fly. So next thing I'm gonna do is plug in my, oh, I got snow in there. Plug in my FPV goggles, just get the snow out of it. They'll start up. So now I'm gonna take these goggles and stick them over on this item. Actually, I'll put this in so you can see me. I'll bring this over here, way back there. So there we go. So if I walk back to grab the goggles, first I'm gonna take it off, hover it here in drone mode, and then I'll take it up a bit and I'll put on the goggles and I'll turn it into airplane mode and fly it around here. So that's the plan. That's the plan. Okay, I just want to show you what's happening when I fly this in drone mode. So I've got it in drone mode right now. And if I move the left joystick, see that? I can move the motors. And that's how I can spin it in the air, fly it like a drone, do everything else. And when it's in drone mode, the actual ailerons and the elevators in the back, they don't function. So if I come back here and I put it into airplane mode, watch the motors. They're automatically going to drop slowly. I got to get this out of the way. They drop slow, and that's how it goes into airplane mode. And then over here, all my elevators and ailerons, they all function. Pretty sweet, eh? All right, take my hat off here for a second to see how many satellites I have. 17 satellites, I think it says. So we should be good. That sounds good. All right, joysticks down and out. Motors start, and here we go, guys. Oh, I gotta. Okay, it tells me, shut up, stop talking, and fly me. Okay, so I only have a few seconds to get it going. Here we go. There we go, going up. There we are. I'll try to keep it in the camera. Looks pretty sweet from this angle. And I'll bring it down. It flies just like a drone right now, so there you go. It's flying right here. It's pretty stable. It's got GPS happening. You can yaw it either way. I can move it side to side. There we are. And well, let's take it on up. I'll take it up slow so we can watch it. Yeah, I'll bring it over right in front of me. All right. Okay, so what I'll do now, since I have it up about there, I gotta put on the goggles, the DJI FPV goggles. So I gotta take this hat off. I gotta try to do it while looking at it. Okay, I've got the goggles on so I can take it up higher. There's a little switch over on my left here. I'm just going to aim it to the field. Let's see the height. There we are. I'm at 47 meters, so this should be good. There's a switch here I have to select. So I'm gonna hit it. There we go. Airplane mode. I should be flying forward. There she goes. So, it's that simple. I'm in airplane mode and now I have full control. The throttle, I have it halfway. It will not stall. It keeps the throttle at a non-stall rate. So you just fly it. I'm bringing it back. I just want to bring it back to me. There we go. I can increase the throttle and go faster if I want. Let me see. What's the speed over here? It says I am going 51 kilometers per hour. There I am down there on the little dot. There we go. Going out to the farmer's field. Here, let me just give it some gas. Whoa! I could hear that. It just screams when you give it gas. Here, let's come back. I'll slow it down a little bit, turn it. All right, I'm gonna bring it over me fast. Here we go. Got gas, let's see what the speed is. I'm looking on the left. It's telling me I'm doing 119 kilometers per hour, 122 kilometers per hour. I don't know if that's correct. That's what it says in my goggles. Here, I'll slow it down. It says you're going too fast. All right, so here, let's come on back again. Come on back, baby. Let's go this way. Here, we'll go to this part of the field. You have a long flight range with this. The image in my goggles is really clear. Sorry I can't show you what I see in my goggles, but I can tell you what I see. So let me just bring it this way, away from the cell phone tower. Bring it back towards me. There's a school, and I'm over here. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you what I see in my goggles. So I see the speed on the left, then I see, it's all blurry, I see the pitch and roll, then I see the longitude, latitude, then I see the number of satellites, I see what channel I'm on, and I see my battery time remaining. This is supposed to fly for an hour on this battery, so I've got a lot of battery time remaining according to what it's showing me there. Yeah, it's showing me an awful lot. And it shows me distance from home is 223 meters. I'm gonna push the nose down. Nose is down. Oh, I can bring it low. Look at this. I could crash it into the ground if I want. Whoa, look at that. I can bring it low. That's gonna make some cool video. There I am down there. Wow, that's pretty sweet. So how fast does it go up if I go up? There's nose up, full speed, climbing, climbing, climbing. Average throttle, super sharp to the right. There we go. That's how you get the smooth turns. I was doing these little baby turns, so it wasn't really doing it. There we go. There we go. That's what you want. Turns like that. It's cool. I wish I had somebody else out here with a drone, or I should say an FPV drone, to chase this. Maybe next time I come out on a sunny day, I'll get one of my buddies with their FPV drone, one of the good pilots, to come out and do their thing. I love this though, that I could just dive down at the ground. Hopefully there's no kids here because I'm going to scare the heck out of them. Go over the trees. Whoa! Let's go up. Sharp turn, going up, coming back. All right, so let's go land. I'm going to put a return to home and see how that works. So the return to home is supposed to be automatic. I am not going to do the return to home on here, and we're going to see what happens. So I've taken the throttle, I've dropped it to half. You see where I am right there. And now I'm going to hit this switch over here. I don't know where I'm standing, and there's return to home. I just hit it. Let's see what happens. So it's still going forward. It's making a lot of sound. My camera is bouncing all over the place, so I'm going to take this off, and now I'm going to look up. I don't even know where it is. Oh, it's over there. Well, that's the, oh, it's coming back to me. Oh, hang on. I got to put my hat cam on. You got to see this. There it is, way over there. So I'm going to take control of it because I think it thinks that's home. So I'm going to bring it back this way. Cool thing is while it's landing, I can still fly it. So here I'm okay. How many planes do you know can fly backwards? I'm flying backwards. There we go. I'm bringing it back to me. I got to bring it right over to the landing point. There we go. I'm going to cancel the return to home, and I have full control. And I'll bring it over. And there we go. Let's see if the motors stop as it goes down. Well, I have to try to get it over, not on the snow, but right there. And off. Oh, that is sweet. Woohoo! That's pretty cool. All right, so this is the first mild day we've had in a long time. Notice I have no gloves on. That's why I brought it out today. Unfortunately, it has been raining a little bit when I flew it, and it's very dull, so I don't think the image came out anything great. So I'm going to bring this out again on a much more sunny day, and I'll see if I can get one of my friends to come with their FPV drone and chase it, and that'd be pretty cool. Then you get some footage when it transitions and flies around. Should be pretty wild. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. That big case I had, it's back there someplace. That comes with this. Everything's included. Everything you need. It comes in many different packages. You know, just check the OMP Hobby website. I'll put a link to it below. This starts at $899 US and goes up from there. There are videos online now where you can modify the internals and put your own. You don't have to have a digital goggle system. You can have something else, different receiver. I've seen a few of those videos, so find those and you can modify things yourself. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in future ones with really cool things like this. All right, guys, take care. Bye.